a lot of hype around the disruption caused by AI. I think it's to a fair degree, it's misplaced. Because if we go back in times, when the assembly line was discovered, what happened? Cars became more accessible. Did that compress economic activity or did it expand economic activity? I think they expanded economic activity. The IT industry has its own, I remember in 2000,
The Y2K part.
Y2K part, and that was the time we started ITC Infotech. And when we started ITC Infotech, a lot of people raise this question, why the hell have you started now? Y2K is getting over. What are you going to do after this? So has the IT industry shrunk or is it expanded? Okay. So they will always, technology tends to scare people. Let's remember that one, it is certainly, I think it's a very important development, very useful development. It will bring productivity into IT services. But at the same time, to get that productivity, I think there's a lot of work that IT services industries themselves need to do. I am told by my colleagues in ITC Infotech that maybe the number of enterprises which have the basic data engineering in place is not a very big percentage. Such basics have to be dealt with also. It will bring productivity. But at the same time, I think it's going to open new value pools because new problems will get solved. I described two problems. Those were issues that were not being addressed earlier. Newer things will get addressed. So it will expand and a lot more is getting digitized in the world today. If you trace the history of an automobile, what was the breakup between mechanical components and digital components 20 years back and what is it today? And what will it be tomorrow? So technology is part and parcel of products, of strategy, of creating business value. So its application. Is there any CIO who says his IT budget is reducing? I haven't come across anybody.